Okay, everyone. This is a given list. Um, so in the list we have first element, second and third element, which is 1, 2, and 3. And the fourth element is a nested list. So itself is another list. And then we have finally the last element in the list. What I'm going to show to you, how can we insert uh, 7 in the middle of this. So this is entered the last element in the nested list, but in the middle of those. How can you do that? So list, we want to first to consider this, which is in index 0, 1, 2, and 3. So there's the third element in the list. I want to insert in the middle, therefore that is 0 and 1. So first to position to the first position, I'm going to insert 7. And then I'm going to print LST. All right, and highlight it and execute it. Here you go. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 7, 5, and 6. All right, thank you.